Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use recorded audio in CapCut. Here's a clear step guide to use your own recorded audio in CapCut. First is to unlock your phone and make sure CapCut is installed. Open your phone's voice recorder app or any recording app you prefer to. Tap the record button and speak or capture the audio you want. Tap stop or check mark when done to save the recording. Give your recording a name by holding the newly created audio. Then tap rename, then name it, and tap save once you are done so you can find it easily later. Now, let's go to the CapCut app. Then tap the new project to start editing a video or open an existing one. Choose the video clip you want to edit to. Then tap Add. On the editing screen, tap Audio from the bottom menu. Choose Sounds. Go to the Folders tab, Device, to browse audio files saved on your phone. Locate your recorded audio file in the list. Tap the plus icon next to the file to add it to your timeline. Drag or trim the audio track to sync it with your video. Once satisfied, tap Export or Save button, usually at the top right, to save your edited video with the recorded audio. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.